If you happen to spend a considerable amount of time alone on the road, having strong, reliable cell signal in your car is a must. Fortunately, there's Drive Sleek, the in-vehicle cell phone signal booster from weBoost. Drive Sleek is compatible with all carriers and is designed to work with any phone or device that fits within its sturdy, adjustable boosting cradle, ranging in size between 5.1 inches and 7.5 inches in length. Once your device is secured in place, you immediately start getting better coverage, putting an end to dropped calls, missed texts, and slow data speeds inside your vehicle. Installing Drive Sleek is simple, especially with the featured Drive magnetic outside antenna, custom designed and engineered by weBoost and easily the most powerful antenna for its size. Simply place the Drive magnetic outside antenna on the roof of your vehicle. With its magnetic base, it stays secure and in place, yet isn't a problem to remove when needed. For vehicles with an aluminum body, an adhesive mounting disc is included. Next, connect the outside antenna cable to the booster. Then connect the booster to the Drive Sleek cradle and power it up. Now it's ready to boost cell signal. No pairing or connecting your phone is needed. It simply works as long as your phone stays inside the adjustable cradle. Using either the magnetic vent mount or adhesive dash mount, the Drive Sleek can be conveniently positioned on the dashboard for quick access. It's also compatible with many other vent mounts or can even be used without a mount at all. The Drive Sleek's power cord features a USB port, ideal for keeping your phone constantly charged while receiving boosted signal throughout the drive. Perfect for rideshare drivers, daily commuters, or other power users who are constantly on the go. Keep your focus on the road and not worrying about your cell signal coverage. Choose a better way to stay connected using any phone on any carrier network with Drive Sleek by weBoost.
Hey guys, so today I have this cell phone booster that I want to show you. So this is going to be installed right on top of your roof in the direction of the cell tower. Actually is going to show you exactly how to do it. So you are going to want to read the instructions so that you can figure out exactly how to install it and which direction you're going to want to point it. Otherwise, it's not going to work very well for you. So it's going to come with a indoor antenna as well as your outdoor unit. And the outdoor unit here, you're going to want to point in the direction of the tower. You are also going to have everything that you need to install it. Okay, so very simple. The cord's going to be plenty long to be able to reach from the antenna on the roof to the antenna in the house. So in this, you can either mount right on the wall, which is probably going to be the easiest thing to do, or if you just want to set it somewhere on a countertop, or if you have a shelf or something like that, that's going to work as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get it installed, and then we will go from there.
So you're going to want to make sure you find a good spot on the roof and face the antenna out towards the tower. You guys are going to mount it in the direction of the cell phone tower, just like that. And then you have your cord here. So however you want to do this, if you want to run it down the front of the house or if you run it in through a window, either way, you're going to be able to start using your antenna. And when you're ready, you'll follow the instructions for if you have an iPhone or an Android. Once you're all set up, you're going to call the number that is provided, and it's going to provide you with a few screens to check your cell service. So this is going to help to boost voice and data signal. So it's going to improve your data speeds and reduce your dropped calls. Also, it's going to help to improve your productivity, efficiency, and safety by ensuring you're connected at all times. So once you guys dial the number, you're going to see your dashboard prior to the antenna usage. You'll then place it in airplane mode and back out, and then you will look at your speeds afterwards. So you can see that my speeds on my phone have increased greatly and my signal has improved. So I have 4.5 bars here, but we've now increased our frequency band from 2 to 3 to 66. So this is going to be a great antenna.
The home multi-room from weBoost is designed to fix cell signal in a specific area of your home. It boosts cell signal on all U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and U.S. Cellular at the same time. It's 5G compatible and can be installed in about an hour. Count on faster connectivity. Count on weBoost.
The 15K 70 decibel ultra-wideband and Bluetooth-enabled device provides optimal 4G coverage up to 15,000 square feet and can cover poor signal areas in large-sized homes, offices, and rural properties. Upgrading to an optional omnidirectional or panel kit with a two-way splitter ensures your individual cell coverage will perform at optimal efficiency. Additional kit and accessory options are available through the HiBoost's website.
Here's how it works. A powerful outside antenna receives cellular signals sent from a cell tower and transmits it to the Fusion for Home. The Fusion for Home then amplifies the signal and broadcasts it throughout the coverage area using a sophisticated indoor antenna. The Fusion for Home comes in a kit with everything you'll need to enhance cellular reception throughout your home or office. With the Fusion for Home from SureCall, dropped calls and bad signal will be a thing of the past. With people eliminating their landlines, having a clear and consistent cell phone signal in your home is essential. Introducing the Flare by SureCall. The Flare is a cell phone signal booster that amplifies the signal to your cell phone in an area up to 2,500 square feet. Here's how it works. An outside antenna receives cellular signals sent from a cell tower and transmits it to the Flare. The Flare then amplifies the signal and broadcasts it throughout the coverage area. The Flare comes in a kit with everything you'll need to enhance cellular reception throughout your home or office. With the Flare from SureCall, dropped calls and bad signal will be a thing of the past.